Hello traders, in this video we are looking at the Stalin Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This trend and momentum indicator is built to highlight dominant market direction, momentum strength, and potential entry and exit zones while filtering out a lot of short-term noise. And let's load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Stalin Indicator. Now, the Stalin Indicator analyzes price behavior using smoothed price data and internal calculations to show whether buyers or sellers are currently in control. In this case, where my cursor is pointing, clearly shows buyers are in control, sellers and buyers are in control again, reflected by the rise or the bullish trend. On the chart, it typically plots clear visual signals or states that distinguish bullish phases from bearish phases, making it easier to see when the market is trending versus when it is uncertain. As you can see here, the visual signals, which are the arrows, color-coded arrows, and the indicator shows a strong bullish state as over here or over here. It implies that upward momentum and trend control are in favor of buyers, and when it shifts to a bearish state, it implies that sellers have taken control and downward movement or momentum dominates. Because it is designed to reduce noise, you tend to see fewer but clearer signals that focus on decisive moves rather than every small fluctuation. Let's move on to the settings. You can see a combination of the moving average method that the indicator uses to plot its signals. We have the RSI, we have the confirm. We also have alerts, sound and email, and we have the color for the arrows. Now, this style indicator is suitable for both beginner and experienced traders who prefer disciplined, rule-based, trend-focused trading with cleaner charts and fewer conflicting signals. Many traders use this indicator as a confirmation tool alongside support and resistance, price action, or other indicators to increase confidence in their setups. It's not guaranteed to be accurate in all market conditions and can give false signals in sideways or extremely volatile markets, so it must be combined with risk management and other analysis. You can apply this indicator on multiple markets and timeframes, including Forex, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. The download link is in the description below, and you can read the full Stalin indicator for MT4 and MT5 article, including features, usage examples, pros, cons, and things to keep in mind at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.